Start by removing the clear film on the side to be pressed. We're going to pre-press the ornament for 10 to 15 seconds to remove humidity for a better end result. After 10 to 15 seconds, remove the ornament and let it cool. We printed both sides of the design on one sheet of paper, so we're cutting the paper in half. Put the front side of the ornament, with the film removed, face down on your design. Use thermal tape on each side to secure the ornament to the paper. Before pressing, put paper over and underneath the prepared ornament. Place on the heat press with the side to be pressed facing up. Press at 365 Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Caution, the ornament will be hot. Move the ornament from the heat press to a table to cool down. Remove the ornament from the paper. Peel off the protective film from the back side of the ornament. This one was still hot. Check to make sure there is no dust or debris under the film. You can use the film to remove any dust or lint. Place the back side of the ornament with the film removed on your design. Tape the ornament to your design with thermal tape. Once again, put butcher paper over and underneath the ornament. This protects the pads on the heat press from ink stains. Once between the butcher paper, the side that was already pressed should be facing down. Again, we'll press the second side of the ornament at 365 Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Once complete, remove the ornament from the heat press to your table. Being careful not to burn yourself. Remove the ornament from the sublimation paper. Check for any flaws and enjoy!